Hey Lucas, so I just wanted to show you how to find the extra makeup classes you need to do. So whenever you're in your daily plan for math, you'll just click on the word math plus yellow. And then whenever this screen comes up, you'll click on unit list and it'll bring up all of these lessons. So you need to work through as many lessons as you can to catch up. So for example, in math right now, we are at unit 7. So you have to complete all of these units 1 through 6 to be caught up to where we are. So anywhere you see an open green circle, you need to go ahead and do that lesson. I'm going to show you a couple of the other subjects just so you understand how to get to those. So you'll do the same thing for every subject. So for language arts, we'll click on that and then we'll click on unit list. And then you need to complete any lesson that has an open green circle beside it. So right now we are finishing up unit 7. So that would mean you have to complete units 1 through 7 here to catch up with us. Okay, and then you're going to need to do the same thing for all of these other subjects. So the only ones listed today are math, vocab, gum, literature, spelling, science, and history. But on the other days, some days you'll see composition and health as well. So you need to make sure that you're working on those too. So for the rest of the day today, what I want you to do is work on doing as many math, vocabulary, and gum lessons as you can.